Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video I'm about to reveal to you guys the secrets that you can actually apply to double or triple your grass airdrop point. Alright, so this method that I'm about to reveal to you right now is totally free, meaning that you don't need to buy any software, you don't need to pay for any plan, you don't need to run any script or use any bot. It is totally free, and this method that I'm about to reveal to you right now is actually an instruction from the grass airdrop team, meaning that they actually approved this method for users to practicalize to be able to double or triple their grass airdrop point. All right, so without wasting time right now, stick around, do not skip any part of this video. Make sure you listen attentively. Let me reveal to you guys the secret that you can use to get thousands and probably millions of grass airdrop points within a couple of days. All right, so this method is going to help you even if you're a new user, because it is going to prepare you ahead of many people, because this method I'm about to reveal to you right now is not known by a lot of people out there. All right, so it is actually a secret, but right now on this video I'm going to be revealing it to you right now. So do well to subscribe, and right now let's dive in. Let me show you guys my account right now, and let me show you guys how you can be able to do that. You can basically do that in two ways. Okay, the first way is through using multiple devices on different network using one account. The second one is through referral. So right now let me quickly explain the referral part of it. So for you to be able to understand this referral part of it, you simply refer people and you actually get a reasonable percentage of whatever they are earning. They are getting what they are earning separately, and in the other way you are earning, I mean the system is paying you because you are the one that referred them. Even though if those people refer other people, you are also getting a percentage from that people, and it continues on through the level 3, I think. All right, so right now let me show you guys the method that you can use multiple devices to actually double or triple your grass airdrop points. Remember what I said, it's tricky, and if you don't do it correctly you may get your account banned. All right, so a lot of you are thinking about creating multiple grass airdrop accounts in order for them to farm very faster. That is far from the correct way. I mean, that could even get your account banned if you are not careful enough. Right now let me show you how you can be able to double or triple your grass airdrop points without getting your account banned. All right, so right now this is my two devices. This is my phone and this is my laptop right here. So this setup that I have right here, I happen to have a different account. You can see they are totally different accounts, and right now for you to be able to double or triple your grass airdrop earning, this is what you need to do. First of all, on your laptop or any other device, it can be another phone or another tablet or whatever. So log into your main account, and once you have logged into your main account, then you get it connected to a different internet from your phone. All right, now this is how it works. If you log into your laptop on your main account, then maybe you connect it to your home Wi-Fi. All right, and right now on your second device, which is probably your phone or whatever other device you are using, log into the exact account that you logged in using your laptop or the other phone. Log into the same exact account. This is where it actually gets a little bit tricky. Once you have logged into your exact account on this particular device, that is on your other device, you need to connect it to a different Wi-Fi or to internet directly. Like my laptop right here, it is connected to my Wi-Fi right here, and over here this one right here is connected to another different Wi-Fi, which is basically this second phone right here. Okay, so over here right now, for you to be able to double your points or triple your points, what you need to do is use the same account on different devices. Use the same account on different devices, but what you need to do is that you must connect those devices to different internet. For example, this one is connected to my house Wi-Fi, and this one right here is connected to my phone Wi-Fi. Even if I want to use this particular device right here to actually farm the grass points, what I need to do is to simply connect it to a different Wi-Fi. The easiest way to do this is to simply maybe connect this one to Wi-Fi on this phone, put another SIM card on it, then connect it directly to the internet. Then this one you connect it to you put data on this particular phone right here, then you connect it to its own internet. So if you are using this method, that is if you are using if you are using the same account on different internet, you are going to farm very, very fast. All right, you are going to be farming very, very fast ahead of so many other people. So some people think creating different accounts is going to allow them to farm very fast, and no, what you need to do is simply use one account on different devices, but make sure that those devices are connected to different internet. That is the simple truth about this. So if you are running script or if you are using any other software, then be aware of it that it might get your account banned. All right, it might get your account banned. So make sure that if you want to double or triple your grass airdrop points, use one account on different devices that are connected to different internet. That is the easiest and by far the fastest way to double or triple your grass airdrop points. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I'll be there to help you answer it. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video if you haven't done that, so that people out there will get to see it and they will also take action. Remember, the snapshot for the grass airdrop is coming very, very soon, so do not delay on this, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to drop in very, very soon.